Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Infiniti Q50 hybrid versus. Check battery history, service records, and test drive both hybrid and non-hybrid models to spot real differences. Focus on acceleration feel, regenerative braking, and how the car behaves at low speeds. Compare EPA or manufacturer efficiency claims to your own driving patterns. Note warranty coverage and potential replacement costs when evaluating long-term ownership and resale values. Look at 0 to 60 performance, torque delivery, and how the hybrid system changes throttle response during everyday driving. Test on varied roads to judge whether the hybrid system improves overtakes and merges without lag. Check real-world fuel use in city and highway cycles and compare to manufacturer claims. Also evaluate brake feel when region is active and whether the steering and suspension tuning match your driving preferences for comfort versus sportiness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more car comparisons and buying tips. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers if you pack lunches for road trips or long test drives. They save spills and keep the cabin clean. I find them handy when comparing trunks and interior space during inspections. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Inspect available comfort and safety features like adaptive cruise, lane assist, and premium audio, which affect value and daily satisfaction. Ask for records on battery care and any hybrid system repairs, and verify how warranty transfers. Consider fuel savings versus potential battery replacement costs over ownership, and check insurance implications. Finally, compare used market pricing and demand so you can negotiate a fair deal based on real features and proven maintenance history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.